Sorting out taxonomy, Illinois salamanders. In a previous series of podcasts, the topic of taxonomy was discussed. This podcast will focus on the taxonomy of Illinois salamander species, including the 7 main classification categories: kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. Not all scientists agree with this classification scheme and is subject to change upon receipt of new information. Salamanders are classified in the kingdom Animalia, the animals, phylum Chordata, the vertebrates, and class Amphibia, the amphibians. In Illinois, the amphibians contain frogs, toads, and salamanders. Most of its members have 4 legs. Most amphibians must return to water to reproduce. If an aquatic larval stage is present, it is commonly known as a tadpole. Most amphibians must live in a moist environment. The skin and/or lungs are used for gas exchange in the adults, while the larvae breathe with gills. Most amphibians produce toxins in the skin. Amphibians do not have scales, feathers, or hair. As we have learned throughout our taxonomic journey, species in the same order have more in common than they do with other species in the same class. Salamanders are members of the order Chordata. Salamanders may be found in freshwater and moist terrestrial areas worldwide. Their legs are set at right angles to the body, and the legs are short. The body is long and slender with a rounded snout. Both adult and larval salamanders have a tail. They can regenerate limbs in the tail if they are lost. Recent taxonomic work shows there are 10 salamander families worldwide. 6 of those families are represented in Illinois: family Ambystomatidae, family Cryptobranchidae, family Plethodontidae, family Proteidae, family Salamandridae, and family Sirenidae. Let's look at each one. Family Ambystomatidae contains the most salamanders. These amphibians spend much of the year in the soil or under rocks or logs. They breed in spring. Most larvae transform into adult form by late summer. There is one genus, Ambystoma, in Illinois, and it contains 8 species. Here is the list of Illinois species. The giant salamanders, family Cryptobranchidae, are found in Asia and the United States. They are true aquatic salamanders, spending their entire life in water. One species is present in Illinois, Cryptobranchus alleganiensis, the hellbender. The lungless salamanders belong to family Plethodontidae. These salamanders live in North and South America and Europe. They do not have lungs, and most breathe through their skin or through membranes in the mouth. There is a groove present from each nostril to the upper lip. They are found in moist habitats. There are 4 genera and 8 species in this family in Illinois. Here is a list of those species. One member of the family Proteidae, the mud puppies, is a permanent resident in Illinois. Mud puppies are present in Europe and North America. They are aquatic and have permanent gills. Necturus maculosus is Illinois' mud puppy. The family Salamandridae contains the newts. Newts are present in Europe, Asia, Africa, and North America. Newts have a life cycle with egg, larval, juvenile, and adult stages. Notothalmus viridescens, the eastern newt, is the Illinois member of the family Salamandridae. Found only in North America, members of the family Sirenidae, the sirens, are aquatic. They have external gills and only the front legs are present. The lesser siren, Siren intermedia, is the only Illinois representative of this family. For more information about Illinois salamander species, go to the ID&R Division of Education website and click on the A to Z button. Scroll down to the STUV block and select Salamanders, Educational Resources. On the Educational Resources for Illinois Salamanders page, you will find the link to order the Illinois Salamanders poster, as well as our link to our Kids for Conservation pages concerning Illinois salamanders. Click here to get to the Wild About Illinois Salamanders webpage. There are links to the podcast and activity books as well. Also, from the ID&R Division of Education's main webpage, you can select the Species Search button. Once you're on the Species Search page,